BRICS and the United Nations, the struggle for a balanced global order. The BRICS coalition, comprising Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, is emerging as a formidable force in global politics, pushing for significant reforms within international institutions like the United Nations, UN. At the heart of their agenda is the desire to reshape the UN, particularly the Security Council, to better reflect contemporary global realities and reduce the overwhelming influence of Western powers. This demand for reform is not just a political maneuver but a reflection of the broader discontent among emerging economies and the Global South, who feel sidelined in the current global governance framework. Western dominance and the call for reform. One of the primary grievances of BRICS nations is the perceived dominance of Western countries in international organizations such as the UN, the World Bank, and the International Monetary Fund, IMF. These institutions, established in the aftermath of World War II, were designed to maintain a balance of power that heavily favored the Western Bloc. Over time, however, the global economic landscape has evolved, with countries like China and India emerging as economic powerhouses. Despite this shift, the governance structures of these institutions have remained largely unchanged, continuing to privilege Western nations at the expense of emerging economies. BRICS countries argue that this imbalance is not just a relic of the past but an ongoing impediment to fair and equitable global decision-making. They contend that the current structure of the UN Security Council, with its 5 permanent members, the United States, the United Kingdom, France, Russia, and China, holding veto power, is particularly problematic. This arrangement, they argue, perpetuates a skewed power dynamic that fails to represent the interests of the Global South, which comprises the majority of the world's population. Expanding and reforming the Security Council. In response to these concerns, BRICS nations have been vocal in their calls for expanding the permanent and non-permanent membership of the Security Council. They propose including more developing countries from regions such as Africa, Asia, and Latin America, thereby giving a greater voice to the Global South in international decision-making. This expansion is seen as a crucial step towards making the Security Council more representative and reflective of the current geopolitical realities. Another contentious issue is the veto power held by the 5 permanent members. BRICS nations have called for a reconsideration of this power, which they believe is disproportionately used by Western nations to advance their own interests. The veto power, in their view, undermines the efficiency and democracy of the Security Council, often leading to deadlocks on critical issues such as international conflicts and humanitarian crises. By advocating for a more democratic and transparent decision-making process, BRICS countries aim to enhance the legitimacy and accountability of the UN. Geopolitical context and the push for a multipolar world. The backdrop of rising geopolitical tensions, particularly the conflict in Ukraine, and the Western sanctions against Russia and China, has further fueled BRICS' resolve to challenge the existing international order. These tensions have highlighted the need for a multipolar world where power is more evenly distributed, and the voices of emerging economies and the Global South are not just heard but respected. BRICS nations see themselves as the vanguard of this new global order, where the interests of all nations, regardless of their economic or military might, are taken into account. The recent expansion of BRICS to include additional countries has added a new dimension to this dynamic. While the inclusion of more members strengthens the bloc's influence, it also introduces internal conflicts, particularly among countries with differing geopolitical interests, such as India and China. Despite these challenges, BRICS remains committed to its goal of reshaping global governance in a way that better serves the interests of the developing world. A collective push for change. BRICS advocacy for UN reform is not just about altering the composition of the Security Council or redistributing power within the UN. It is part of a broader movement among Global South nations to assert their influence in global governance and challenge the status quo dominated by Western powers. This push for change is driven by a shared belief that the current global order is outdated and increasingly out of touch with the realities of the 21st century. The BRICS nations are united in their call for a more agile, effective, and democratic UN system that is responsive to contemporary global challenges. This includes enhancing the participation of developing countries in all UN bodies, increasing transparency and accountability within the organization, and ensuring that its actions are aligned with the principles of international law and the UN Charter. In conclusion, the BRICS nations' push for UN reform is a reflection of the growing demand for a more equitable and representative global governance system. While they differ on the specifics, their collective efforts highlight the need for a UN that is more inclusive, democratic, and capable of addressing the challenges of the modern world. As the BRICS bloc continues to expand and evolve, its influence on the global stage is likely to grow, further challenging the dominance of Western powers and paving the way for a more balanced and just international order. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.